Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. This is going to be a super fast Tesla update because nothing's changed since yesterday. Still watching the key high from 2 days ago, roughly just a higher than that of 800 as we talked about before. Above there, watching for 813 to about 815, then 827, then the next major area, 869. Below yesterday's low, which is also below now the rotation zone and the key 25% little GAN level. So we're still watching yesterday's low. The official yesterday's low, 761.11. Move below there. We're targeting then the bottom of the rotation zone, which is about 720, but there's a wide range in here. I'm going to be watching, and I'll have to fine tune it on shorter term charts, but we'll be watching about 700 to 720. 700, there's some key support there. Rotation zone's a little bit above there, and we have another retracement level there. So those are the two key levels we're watching going into Friday. Not much going on. Very low volume since the sell-off move. You can see low volume. So we still have the rising rotation zone. If you look at the 4-hour rotation zones, just sort of the 8 of it's propping it up, but we're not getting any separation. So I'm really paying attention to that daily chart more than anything. Tomorrow we'll do an end of week wrap up, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.